besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new, and my husband John's here with us today.
Hello everyone.
We are building the long-awaited gingerbread house, and this is from Target. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited. This is the biggest gingerbread house I've
ever
ever seen.
It's really big. We haven't built a gingerbread house together
Since the first year we started dating.
And this is like the biggest one. We did like a little village. I still have the gingerbread house. I kept it. It's so cute. This year we decided to build one together instead of like two separate ones. But I say let's just crack this open and start making it. I think it should be all included in here.
I'll get scissors.
Oh, yep, that would be very helpful. So John did the math earlier, and on the nutrition facts, it says per serving it's 130 calories. And what was it? It's like 34 servings.
There's 34 servings in the kit. So if you were to eat this entire gingerbread house in one sitting, thank you, in one sitting, it would be 4,420 calories.
Okay, first off, who eats gingerbread houses? Like, do
who
guys
eats
do that?
the gingerbread
I'm
houses?
curious. Maybe we're just weird and don't.
Who eats that? Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute. It opens up like a little box.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay, so it came with the gingerbread, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't really like the smell of gingerbread. Is that weird?
No, that's not weird. I understand it.
I don't know what this is.
I think that's a roof guide. It says it on the side right here. Yeah, it's a roof helper, so it's to help you put the roof on. They even put like little fun like Christmas snowflake designs on there.
Oh, I didn't even see that. And they included a bunch of candies. Icing. Oh, it's so squishy.
I think you're supposed to leave the icing for 2 minutes before starting.
Does it have to be your house?
Sure. I'll be over here.
2 minutes later.
So we just got a piece of heavy cardstock to put on the bottom. That way it doesn't stick to our counter at the end of this. And we're gonna open this up. Do you want to open it up?
Sure.
Here's the scissors.
Thank you.
Oh, it comes with a piece of cardboard.
Oh, the cardboard's in the thing. Yeah, we still have the cardstock. Oh, it smells.
These are the roof, so that's last.
Yes. So you need these two guys right here.
And it says you want them face down. 2 minutes. These aren't the right sides, these are the
I was gonna
roofs.
say, I thought we were supposed to use the other ones.
These are the roofs, so that's last.
Yes.
House, that was risky, but it's still together. It's
Yes.
been 15 minutes. So now it says, pipe zigzag lines of icing on the roof peaks and front and back panels, and then add the roof panels. I think that's doable.
So it's gonna go on, just so we know,
Like this.
like that.
In between the windows.
I think you're
In
pretty...
between the windows?
Am I good to... Oh!
What happened?
It's not dry yet. And these aren't dry yet, the bottom part.
What?
When it moves still.
Oh no!
Oh no! Okay, this is fixable. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna pick it up.
Oh no! It's still on this side!
Oh no! gonna go flying across the house before the night's over.
We are going to remove the roof.
The roof helper.
Moving.
How is this? What is happening to our gingerbread house?
Maybe there's a reason we never did this again. Oh my gosh, okay. Teamwork. I will say those little houses are a lot easier to make.
Yeah, I've never made I've only ever made one gingerbread house in my life. Nothing close to this big.
So they put, I think, peppermints on the top. I think that's cute. Well, my favorite part is adding the icing to the front.
Then go for it.
So it's official. We decided that I might have put a little too much snow on it,
No,
but I love
it.
I love the look of it as like dripping snow, or like the snow's oozing off of it, but it's like pulling the door down. So now we're gonna decorate. Yay!
Yay! Wait, do they have wreaths?
You can make a wreath.
I don't know if the door's big enough to make a wreath out of that.
Oh no, look at theirs. They put the wreath on top of the house.
Oh, I don't know if I'm that crafty.
Oh.
We'll just do a red ball on the front. We don't need a wreath.
I think it looks good. So our roof is like slowly moving off. I think it's gonna fall any minute. So
Yeah.
this is gonna be our final end product.
Yes.
I think it looks fantastic.
And it looks great.
Considering we haven't made one in a few years, I think it looks really good.
I'd give us a nice 7.5 out of 10.
I'm gonna give us a 7 out of 10 too. Maybe even a 7.5.
Yeah.
I think this is good. We will definitely have to make this a yearly tradition because this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Burrow said yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another new YouTube video. Bye.
Bye.
This is so sad. I just.
We need some sad Titanic music.